Okay, well here's the situation. We want to go wheeling, but we can't because the exhaust is still broken. So we finally welded back together. Now we just have to find a way to hang it. So we're gonna try the same hangers that he had previously and see if we can kind of double up and make it a little bit stronger, and hopefully that'll hold. Let's check out what we're gonna do here. So here's the setup that we have down here. It doesn't hang much higher with the mount on. You can see where the existing mount is up here. And we're just gonna try and go out a little bit and then down, and hopefully that'll reinforce it a little bit. Up there is where the welding was done to the down pipe off the manifold. So let's see what we can do.
So it was sitting like that. That's where the rubber was sitting, was right here against the muffler. It melted on it. That's what it was. So if we can set it here.
Yeah, we could.
I got it.
How far out are you thinking?
We'll do there. We can. We'll cut it longer. We'll cut it here.
I'm a bit too comfy with ankle grinders.
Bend to 90 of the top hole. I'll do on the second to last hole there.
Yeah.
We'll double bolt it there.
Looks pretty straight to me. I don't know about the guy that's holding it though. What's the head size on those, do you know?
I have no idea. Probably the same.
Oh yeah.
Way better, man.
That's good. I like that.
Cool.
So I guess that's one problem solved already.
Yep.
Do you want to pull the drive shaft off or no?
Yeah.
I think that's the straightest that exhaust's ever been.
Yeah.
Are you gonna put the O2 sensor back on?
Yep. We should. I don't think that's the right size. I think it's a 12. Holy.
I feel that rear U joint. Let's give it a jiggle.
Wow. That's not good.
No.
So what's your theory here? You're just gonna try and zip him off, like just keep spinning it?
I don't know how to get them off.
There we go.
You got her?
Yeah.
Yeah, Phil.
Well, it's out.
So that's how it's supposed to spin freely. That's what the parts truck's for.
So I guess we got to get the other one out now. I think you're just gonna have to go straight under from there. Yeah. Oh, it's nice and dry over here.
You snap brain bitch. Nice hole in the floor.
I know, it's solid unit.
Got lots to get for $450, man. You can't complain.
True.
That's fucking weird.
So one's a 13.
Yeah.
Ah. The front being pulled first helps.
Yeah?
Because then you can just kind of swing it whatever way you want it.
Okay. Those are way better.
And if you can get the yoke out, it might help too.
Do you know if that's gonna be enough swing from the f***ing truck, man?
That's a lot more than was exposed previously, so I feel like it's the same part.
Holy f***, that sucks. This frame is way better, man.
It is. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's a lot better. Hard to believe. 2010, this thing was actually on the road, though.
Yeah. Ugh.
High quality steering. So now there's two of each. Jerrid's concern is that it's not going to have enough movement with the height difference of this truck. With the angles, I think it'll be okay. I don't know. I don't see it being an issue.
We'll see. You don't know until you know, brother. Oh, that is.
Oh, it's bad, yeah. You can even see in there too, like
Those aren't. That's not supposed to spin.
yeah.
Hell.
The other one's pretty tight, I think.
I'm gonna keep that though.
Well, yeah.
This one's good.
Yeah, that's more or less how it should be. A lot better.
I don't know if that's gonna have enough angle.
I think it could also be this one broke because of the angle. Who knows?
Might have to get some sort of like drive shaft extension or something, or like make a drive shaft. I know I will for. Well, we'll see how it is when I put the rear leaves up front with the crossover steering. I might have to get a different drive shaft. We'll see. I'm going to build one. Square tube.
That's the way to do it, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I guess we'll do this. No time like the present.
I don't want to. I'm done.
That's a problem.
What?
The washer's on the wrong side.
Doesn't matter.
Oh, we might as well make it symmetrical where we can.
What on this is f***ing symmetrical?
Speakers are the same in both doors.
Good.
It's not going nowhere. It's a little stiff.
God.
Oh yeah, those tires on ice, I forgot how much fun they were.
Something still making a noise. Oh, I think it's just the ball in there.
I don't know, it could just be something rattling on the floor because I can't really. It's not in 4 now, is it?
No. Well, let's go up Bull Creek quick.
Yeah. Oh boy.
You wanna unlock the hub quick?
Yeah. Go forward. Oh no, it was the O2 sensor we forgot about. Shot right off.
Oh, it's gone? It snapped?
No, it's workable. The old one probably has something similar on it though. But I don't think it really matters. Do you know if that thing even did anything? I for sure thought we busted the shaft already.
Yeah, me too. I'm like, no way.
I think that's a success so far. We'll report back once we hit something where it requires 4-wheel drive here. Well, really, it's so far so good.
Yeah.
No clunks more than usual, but we gotta do an exhaust check here.
She's still there.
The mount definitely bent a little bit, but I don't think it's that big of a deal. Yeah, I agree, but it'll do. I guess that's a success. Ready for tomorrow.
Yeah.